Hey, hi friends, good evening, welcome back. Sri Krishna Soft Skills. Okay, yeah. So in the last video, we have discussed about the what is the KT session and what is the Scrum and what is the sprint, what is the Scrum call, everything. So just we have discussed about that thing. So if you haven't watched that video, I'm strongly recommend to watch that video. If you watch that video, you easily understand this one. Otherwise also you may understand. Okay, so before going to the topic is as we discussed in the earlier video, uh, Azure DevOps. So in the Azure DevOps, why we use for the Azure DevOps first, and then in the Azure DevOps, so in the every who already working in the software industry, whenever you call, I'm in some other meeting, I'm in client meeting, I'm in there some sprint meeting. Yeah, actually, I've been stuck in one task, but actually I could not complete this task. Actually, my manager given me this task to complete today. Tomorrow we are going to release one sprint. All those things. Actually, we have some blocker. I've been facing one issue, so then I want to fix it. What is those actually? Okay, that's we are going to see this video clearly one by one. Okay, yeah, before going to, I'm strongly requesting you to please subscribe my channel and do bell icon for more updated videos. Okay, yeah, let's get started without wasting our time. Okay, so if anyone wants to training and then you want some suggestions, so please, this is my number and then this is my Gmail ID and this is our blog. Okay, please go to that blog and then go to our channel and you get, already we have uploaded a lot of videos, our technical and some motivational and some communication and some of the interview prospective. So if you haven't, then please go through that videos. We have it in the description, the links, and then we have some item codes. Please go through that item codes and then links, and then you may upgrade your skills. Okay, so this is about our institute. So then today's agenda is to, who is the Scrum Master? So what is a business? Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, already in the last class, I think we have discussed the Scrum Master, na? So that is the reason. Yeah. So actually, what does the business analyst and what is the Azure DevOps? Why we required? Already we've been working some of the software. So why we required for the Azure DevOps? And what is the Epic? What is the future? And what is the product backlog? And what is the task? So those things then we are going to learn. Okay. Yeah. Then we will see one by one in our technical. Okay. Just we open our Azure DevOps portal. Then you see looks like this is the Azure DevOps portal. You may observe this is the Azure portal. Just give me 1 second. Yes. Just come into this Azure DevOps. So you may observe this is the dev azure.com. Then you may also open this one. Just here, this is the my sign in. You see, this is the GN. Okay. And here, this is, you see, this is the one of the organization. Just I have created one of the organization for your understanding. And these are the things. What is the overview? What is the summary? What is the dashboard? And what is the wiki? And what is the boards? And what is the repos? What is the pipeline? What is the test plan? And what is the active facts? These are the things involved in the Azure DevOps. In each one by one, then we are going to discuss why we require Azure. So when you join any client, then you are collaborate with your team members. So this is the collaboration tool. It is a not working software where you are like SQL developer, either the POWERBI developer, either Java developer or whatever. But you may work along with this. So you may what, for example, you have one requirement. So then The business analyst team, then you'll come and then they create one task here, one create some PBI here, one they create some epic, they create some future, and then in the future there are having multiple this one, then they may provide like this. Okay, so that is how they put the all the features and effect and everything. Then we will see in open in your this is the just one by one, then we will see in the whatever. Then you see this is the work item, you see this is the overview. So in the overview nothing. So then when you see the overview, okay, when you see the overview, you see this is the overview. Okay, for example, this is the project name. Okay, you assume as a you are working as a one healthcare domain, then your project name is a patient details dashboard. You want to create that one, that is the your project name. If you suppose, if you assume in this there are multiple, these are the overview, summary, dashboard and boards, okay, and test plans and wiki and pipelines and artifacts. The same thing which we have in the Azure DevOps portal. When you open the Azure DevOps, dev.azure.com in your client or in your whatever, then you may see these things only. But here then we digitally, there are some symbol and everything is there. But here I am showing only the what are the things involved in the Azure DevOps. What are the important things? We are not a Azure DevOps engineer. Just we are going to use this Azure DevOps. What is the dashboard? What is the summary? What is the boards? What is the wikis? Okay. Yeah. You see, this is the Azure DevOps. This is the your project name. In the project, there are multiple fields is there. First is the overview. Overview nothing but this is the your project explanation. Like that, this is the project. This is the like which project you are working. So this is the patient details of the dashboard. Nothing is there in overview. Coming to the summary they are escalating like Optom. It's the physical operation about this project. The portfolio, tag the parent and this project link and then survey. Some of the URLs is there in the summary. So this is also no need to worry. Coming to the dashboard. In the dashboard, what are the things is there in the dashboard? Okay, this is the dashboard only. They are describing the my favorite dashboard and then something the dashboard and overview and some of the all other dashboard. Here also nothing too much important in the dashboard. Here just like you see when you go to the dashboard, here something is there. What is this? The dashboard. This that does not have any videos. Something then you want to create something, then here you may observe. Okay, so this is about the dashboard. Yeah. Okay, coming to the boards. When you see this is the board, here you may see observe work item, board, backlog, sprint, queries, delivery plans. There are 6 items is there in the board section. Here also same thing. Coming to the boards, here you see here there are a lot of things, work item and then board and backlog and sprint and queries and delivery plans and personas and retrospective and portfolio plans, and these are the some weekly something. This is these many things involved in the boards. Okay, yeah, same like that you were in this Azure DevOps. Okay, in this what is the important thing is in the board. Okay, the important thing is to go to the backlog. You see these are these many, you may not understand, like then we will see this is okay. Yeah, you see backlog. When you see that this is the board, when you come to this backlog, here something is there, but as of now I haven't do anything in this my personal, this is the thing. Okay, that's the reason I haven't create anything. But coming to this one here, how you who created this one backlog or something? Okay, the scrum master and the business manager and like technical manager, they created, they directly interact with the user and the client and what are their requirement, and then they create as a user story. In each story having the initiatives one, initiative 1. What does it mean? So that it is a hospital management dashboard. It is created by business analyst. First thing is the initiative. Each initiative having the multiple epics. You see, multiple epics. Here, epic 1, epic 2, epic 3, epic 4, epic 5. And this is also same initiative 2. There are also something epics. But I'm taking the one example. Each initiative having the multiple epics, not for 1 or 2, 3, 4. Depends on the business. Okay, here I supposed to take for 5 epics. And coming to the each epic is what is epic? The ability of historical doctor's data for last 1 year in the patient surgery report. This is the one of the report. In this, then they want to see the historical data, doctor data for 1 year. This is the one epic. Like you see, in general life, epic is nothing but one Ramayana, one Mahabharata, like that. It is a very big story. Okay, so this is a lot of big stories having the initiative. Epic coming to the, this is like one epic, multiple features. Either 2 features, other 4 features, depends on the business. Here, just have what I'm explaining you. What I mean to say is each initiative having the multiple epics and each epic having the multiple features. What does it by feature? The same thing. Exemption reporting of missing joining dates of the hospital in patient report. Like that, then you second feature. What is second feature? Exemption reporting of the missing schedules of the beds. There are 2 features. And each feature having the multiple, but multiple PBIs. PBI is nothing but product backlog. So this is the hierarchy. So each backlog, product backlog, here they will assign to you, the business analyst assign to you each one. For example, this is the Power BI developers are working. These are 3 members, for example. Okay, this PBA allotted for A, this PBA allotted for B, this PBA allotted for the C. So then you may create here different tasks. You see, these are the tasks. So this is the hierarchy. Each incentive having that epic, each epic having multiple feature, and each feature multiple PBAs, each PBA having the multiple tasks. This is the hierarchy. And each task you may, one PBA you may create number of tasks. Each work to be done, that is a task. What you are going to be task. So this is the first task is analysis of the requirement. Second is some XML changes to the server side. Some of the creation of new column, some of the server side analysis, some of the big fixing of if any. These are the multiple tasks. Each task having the effort, some effort. You see here, you see this is the like task. What is the analysis required? What is the status? Backlog are ready, are in process, are the validate, are done, or some to be removed. Area is the project details and the reason moved to be backlog. What is the iteration? So that is a sprint 1. Like this, these tasks you may create for 6 hours. You may not complete today, then you may postpone for tomorrow. When you come on tomorrow, then when you log in and then you start analysis. And if you complete the 4 or 3 hours, then you may complete this one. So this is the way of explaining. This is the high level explanation about the Azure DevOps. This is the only thing you may daily. What is your task? What is your production backlog? What is the product backlog? What is the future? What is the epic? What is the backlog? What is the blockers? Sometimes you use the block. While working, is there any blockers? Okay, yeah, I've been facing one blocker. That is called, I don't have the data in the table. How can we find to get the development? So that is the type of blockers. So in the daily scrum call, daily stand-up meeting, then we are discussing these things. Okay, in this task, actually, I've been working this one. I want to help someone help to this one, to do this one. I'm getting the data from the developer side. I'm getting the data from some DB, database management system. I want to server side, change required. Then only then I want to push into data. Like that, then you may work. So this is called as a hierarchy of the boards. Sprint. Here also same sprint. assign sprint, first you task assign, and then backlog. If there anything is backlog, then it is a ready, then you may start work. And if you are working on that, then it is a in process. If you work, it should be done, then you may move it to the validate. When it's in the validate, then you may go for the live. So this is about the sprint retrospective. So this is the retrospective. It's the boards and the history. In the boards, there are what went well, what did not go well, what is the action item, what is the kudos. History, what is the retrospective. In this sprint, is there any feedback item created, or is there any items are not created? Those things. Okay. Yeah, this is the way to work. This is the Azure DevOps. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Yeah, this is about the Azure DevOps, and then you may understand something about the Azure DevOps before this video and after this video. How much you learn? That is a new thing. I hope you this is the high level understanding of the Azure DevOps. Entire your work as a developer, as a tester, only this in the boards and the backlogs, and go to this one, incentive and all those things. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much for this watching. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and do bell icon for more updated videos. And then we will be going to see the next one more video as the latest new topic for the interview purpose or some of the other topic. Okay. Thanks. Thanks for watching.